What's good? Welcome back to another Sneaker Mind episode. And yes, we will be featuring today is the SB Aprils. So I was able to hit at my local skate shop for both pair, two separate skate shops. So if you was able to watch my live, I went live on it, and I picked up. It was like a drive around the city. I drove around to By and By, California Avenue in West Seattle. Then from there, that's where I picked up my pair. Tell you a little bit about that how I finessed it and really got put on for those. Cross my finger, there was a good luck of the draw for that. And then I hit for the April SB, the kid ones at 35th North, which they're partner skate shop companies. So that was cool. But we got to enter the both of them, and they had in-store raffles for both. Now let's go with these. These are the ones, like I said, 35th North on Capitol Hill. Picked these up for my daughter. Her birthday's in April, so I definitely had to get these for her. I got a size 3.5, and it reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QSPS. So quick strike, preschool size, and they did good. I'll tell you guys that right now, they really did good for the kids and for the adults. And that is the thing. Like I said, the kids come with teal laces. I just asked that. I'm like, what? So the kids go with this, and I think I'm gonna put these in for her when she rocks them. But these are the Aprils, man. Take a close look. See the glare, and then we'll just go over them. But the soft butter, they gave them all the tumble, all the things like a grown up pair. So I am happy for SB doing that. They also got the insole with the rolls and the insole for them. Um, I'm surprised about the laces, guys. Like, I don't think the male or the other ones came with any chill laces. I was seeing everybody with two pair of white laces. So I wonder what that's about. Struggling trying to get this out right now. And I didn't want to make this video too long. I wanted to go into just showing you the shoe, examining the shoe. They put the rose on the kid one as well. These are just nice, man. They really did their thing. They got the silver tabs for the kids, which is cool. And then I'm gonna show you the bottom and show you some different details on each pair. How each pair has a little different. First of all, this right here got the Nike SB tag on the tongue. We have the April logo right here embroidered. Got the embroidered silver. Definitely the teal laces. Then you got your rose at the bottom with the icy soles. So that's the kid one for the right foot. And then the left foot, they put the April on the tongue, their logo. Put the April on the back. They had Nike on the back of this one. And silver. This is more or less not engraved. This is just like some type of lettering, like a iron-on type vinyl type thing. But that's metal right there. That's solid plastic or whatever. And this is like rubber embossed inside there. Rose at the bottom. Got the rose insole as well. So that's the kids' left and right foot. Preschool sizes. Like I told you, I'm gonna lace swap for her. Hopefully I can find me some if they didn't come in mine. We just lace swap together. And we'll take some pictures for her birthday early and sort of like an invitational or something like that. But that's my pair, and I hit at By and By. So the story on this is, I got the message for the from 35th North telling me I hit on the kids pair. So then I called them back and asked them were they doing the raffle yet for the adults because I entered both. And he told me no, we're not doing it right now. Give it a few hours and we'll get back to you. So I gave it a few hours. I waited. In the meantime, I already know I entered at By and By too. So I was thinking, okay, I probably can only hit at one store, one kids here, and then By and By hit the adults. because I don't believe when I went to Buy and Buy, they didn't have no kid sizes. So another thing before I continue, if you haven't already, go check out my video when I hit for the Crenshaws at both spots for the kids in the adult pair. But side note, I'll tell you guys about that later. I just want to thank Buy and Buy and 35th North for allowing me to hit the Crenshaws, kids and adults, and then now I'm hitting the April kids and adults. But that's the box. Long story short, I called back. They didn't answer. So then I called again because I got a text message again, and I believe it was from Buy and Buy, and I let them know, okay, I want to pick up my shoes on Wednesday. Called, the guy didn't see my name, didn't see anything. Then he tells me, oddly, um, there's a 12 that nobody claimed, that nobody called him and said, we got it. And I was like, that has to be me. So he ran through it and looked it and checked the name. There was no name on it. He said the number was different than mine, was wrong. So then he put my name or my number on the box, and then I picked him up that Wednesday. I came and was able to pick him up. But luck of the draw, it was rough. Just the fact that I could have took an L because everybody was picking their pairs up as soon as they got announcement. I wanted to wait a little bit just to make sure I'll get both. I was still gonna get her pair regardless, but I definitely was kind of feeling some type of way if I didn't get my pair. But these are just some beauties, man. Same thing. The tongue's a lot different. It's harder. Like this net is underneath this plastic, which is kind of dope how they did that. Embroidered. I got the embroidered April. That's a little different from hers. And then what do we got here? Embroidered here with the April. That silver. Got the sole there. I don't want to pull it out, but I got the insole as well. I really wish we had a pair of teal laces, but like I told you, I've seen other people's pairs and we don't. We have white. So they gave us an extra pair of whites with no silver tab. The original pair that comes in it comes with the silver tab. I believe they were thinking we probably was going to do too much if we had the teal laces with them. But the next video, I'll put both the laces in hers, and then I have mine's, and then we'll take some pictures like I said. I'll keep the silver laces, the silver tab laces in now. But you guys know me, I like wearing my SBs with my laces. So say there's multiple laces, I'll wear those dunks multiple times, them SBs, switch out the laces the next day or whatever it may be. But I'm a lace guy like that. I really don't go out my way to go buy any laces, but if it comes with it, I'm flexing them, most definitely. And that's exactly what I did with my Crenshaws. But these are the Aprils. These are an amazing pair of shoes. You know what I got to do? I'm going to go ahead and do my lace on this one here. I'm going to wait to do it on the kid pair just because I said I was going to change them. But to end my video, I like doing this and just showing you guys how I'll rock them. I'll take these out. These are fire though. And then as I do this, we can expose the tongue more. And you guys can see what I'm talking about, how this tongue is like, it's different. Like they really created a tongue where it's mesh behind like a leather, which is really cool. Really cool. I like it. It's a netted mesh material. So similar to this material is underneath the tongue. Do you see that? That is nice. And it's soft leather. Plush, like a pillow. That was nice. Good job, April Skate, April Company. Silver tabs on the ends of the laces. Always a good look. Always a classic look. So can't really complain about that. And these are just beauties, man. I tell you. But I'm about to get out of here. Taking a little bit too long now. Time for me to get going. Thank you guys again for showing up, showing support, being a part of the crew, Sneaker Mind crew. Yeah, retail gang all the way, retail family. That's how we do it, straight to toe, however you want to call it. But merch coming soon. I am working on some merch. I'm thinking about some long sleeves and a few other hoodies and things. But that's how I'm rocking mines, guys. My Aprils. Yes, these are fire. I cannot wait to put these on feet. I should be putting these on feet soon, very soon. Stay tuned. Like I said, we'll have a photo shoot for you guys coming. Me and my daughter. And you get to see the chill laces in hers. But that's about it. Thank you guys. I'm out. You can tell hers is a little more darker, a little more bluer too. That's kind of fire. But thank you guys. You guys have a great weekend. Happy Friday. And I'm out. Peace.